In writing the textbooks together, Ed and I have had countless conversations about what the key concepts are in elementary and intermediate algebra, when we should teach one objective and how we should support the teaching of that objective, which example to use, which applications.
Writing these books have helped me to focus better on what students aren't going to know coming into the later classes, which is a different way of looking at things than I've looked at before.
In writing the books, in thinking about technology like calculators, we were constantly thinking about, well, how can we enable professors with different viewpoints about technology to still use the textbook? When we think about technology like social media and online homework, I know that for both of us, 5 years ago, we would have never wanted to use online homework. We thought it was terrible. And we'd actually looked at it at conferences. And in the process of working with Enhanced Web Assign and the programmers there, which Ed can speak to more than I can, I think we've developed a system that I feel very comfortable and actually excited about using. It's going to help me with my workload, but still let me be connected to what my students can do. The Show the Work feature in Enhanced Web Assign is just phenomenal.
We work with programmers to make sure that the special features in the book, like find a mistake, were coded so they look like they would do in the textbook and how we would use them in a classroom.
We see the technology in our series as an extension of what we do in a regular classroom. We've worked hard to make sure that the applications, for example, have parameters set so that they're realistic. We've had numerous conversations with both the media people and the people in Enhanced Web Assign to make sure that the technology is consistent with our approach. Students actually come up to me and say, I studied this at home and the example helped me learn it. When they learn from the book instead of me, I'm thinking, whoa, that's not supposed to be happening. It's all about me. And so I've really enjoyed that actually, because it does make it seem like there's alternatives to being, if they are sick or if they're not tracking that day, that it's not all just happening in my classroom.